Hi, this is Mark Unger. It is Sunday, April 12th, 2020. Happy Easter, everyone. And I'm going to be running through a quick workflow on how to set up a sign-up sheet for automatic attorney sign-ups for small counties that don't already have a system set up in place to deal with the COVID-19 conditions that we're dealing with. So I'm going to use Text Expander, an app that is cross-platform, works on any device, and allows me to create essentially what's the equivalent of Microsoft Quick Parts. So you can also do it in Microsoft. And you'll have pre-fabricated language or instructions that's going to be given to an attorney. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click the up arrow, and I'm going to go over to email, and it's going to drop it straight into my email client. I'll type in the attorney's email address, and then I will put uncontested docket sign up, and I'll drop in there something along the lines of, dear attorney, thanks for your interest in the digital sign up for the uncontested docket, which will be held every weekend or weekday rather at a certain time via Zoom with instructions to follow. Please answer every question in the short form found via the link below. So I'm going to go ahead and send that off to the attorney, and then that's going to come to the attorney via email. So as the attorney now, I'm going to go to my email, and I'm going to repopulate my email inbox, and hopefully that'll come up, and there it is. And there's the email that I just sent from the judge or clerk side saying, dear attorney, thanks for your interest. The docket time and date of the court appearance will be set in there by you. Please answer every question in the form found in the link below, and there's the link. So I'm going to click on the link, and it's going to take me to a Google form that I created and that can be copied or modified or customized or changed depending on how and what you want to receive in terms of information from the attorney. But basic information: email address of the attorney, the name of the attorney, and bar number, okay? And then the attorney's telephone number, email address, the service that's being requested. In this case, I'm going to say it's an agreed divorce prove-up, the case name in the matter of the marriage of, and I'm going to use my favorite mock trial case name, fake case, Juan Valdez and Hilda Beans Valdez, and in the interest of, and there'll be kids' initials there. Cause number, I'll put that in as the attorney, and then the type of case it is. In this particular one, it's a divorce or SAPSR, and you can choose whichever types of orders that you want to sign or accept when the attorney's coming in to get a signature. In this particular case, I don't want a record, so there would be an indication that a court reporter would be necessary, and you would record using the Zoom record feature for courts, which has been set by the OCA and Supreme Court for all courts. So the date that I want to come in, I want to come in, for example, on 4/18 of 20, and I'm going to need 10 minutes to prove that up with my client via zooming in on his or her iPhone probably. And I'm going to put a link to a proposed order in here, and that's going to, for me, it's either going to come from Google Drive, where I've uploaded an already signed in initial proposed order, or Box or Dropbox, or wherever you store it in the cloud. I also have an option, and I do want to receive a copy of my responses as the attorney, so I know what I've requested, and then the clerk or the court will follow up with me and confirm that, hopefully. And I'm going to submit that, and that's all I have to do as the attorney. Now, as the judge or the clerk, I'm going to basically go to a Google spreadsheet that has been enabled and will show in real time all of the responses for all attorneys seeking to appear that week on that particular docket. Again, it's customizable. You can choose how you want it to be saved if you want it to be saved, and who has access. I suggest using multi-factor authentication or two-factor authentication for any user using Google or any place where there's sensitive information or court information. But so you'll see in the spreadsheet that it's going to show on the back end the attorney's name and bar number. There's a timestamp when the attorney submitted the request. There's a case name, a case number, cause number and style of the case, whether or not the attorney wants a record, how much time is requested, the attorney's email address and telephone number, cell phone number preferably, the type of case that you've given the opportunity for them to fill out, the date requested, and a link to the proposed order. And that's the back end for the courts and the clerks. And that then would lead to the ability to set the docket and request appearances by Zoom for the attorneys and their clients. And then there would be a digital signature workflow also. Those two processes will be slightly different and add-ons. In any case, thanks a lot. Hope this helps.